Have you ever stopped to imagine that somewhere on this planet, right now, there are living creatures carrying enough poison to kill dozens, hundreds, and in some cases, even thousands of other organisms? And the most unsettling part is not their size, not their appearance, not even their behavior. It is the fact that many of them do not look dangerous at all. Some are small enough to sit on your fingertip. Some look like colorful pieces of art. Some blend perfectly into rocks, sand, or coral. And some are so beautiful that people are naturally drawn to them. Yet beauty in nature is not always a sign of safety. Sometimes it is the exact opposite. For millions of years, life on Earth has been locked in a silent evolutionary arms race. Predators develop ways to hunt more efficiently. Prey develops ways to survive. Speed, armor, camouflage, intelligence, strength, and one of the most powerful biological tools of all, venom and poison. Unlike claws or teeth, toxins do not rely on physical force. They do not require size or speed. They work silently, invisibly, and internally. A single injection, a single bite, a single touch, and then the body begins to fail from within. Nerve signals start to misfire. Muscles lose control. The heart rhythm becomes unstable. Breathing becomes difficult. And the victim may not even fully understand what is happening until it is too late. To understand the most poisonous animals on Earth, we first need to clear a common confusion. Venomous and poisonous are not the same. A venomous animal delivers toxins actively, usually through a bite or sting. A poisonous animal is harmful when touched, eaten, or ingested. Different delivery methods, same devastating result. And across both categories, nature has produced some of the most efficient biochemical weapons ever discovered. One of the most infamous examples comes from the ocean. In the warm coastal waters of the Indo-Pacific region lives a creature that appears almost unreal. It is nearly invisible in the water. Its body is translucent, soft, and delicate. It moves gently, almost like it is drifting rather than swimming. At first glance, it looks harmless, fragile even. But this creature is responsible for more human fatalities than sharks in certain regions. It is the box jellyfish. Its tentacles contain millions of microscopic stinging cells called nematocysts. Each cell acts like a biological harpoon. When triggered, it fires with incredible speed, injecting venom into the skin instantly. The pain is often described as overwhelming, almost unbearable, like being burned simultaneously across large parts of the body. In severe cases, the venom attacks the heart, nervous system, and skin at the same time, potentially leading to cardiac arrest within minutes. What makes the box jellyfish especially terrifying is not aggression. It does not hunt humans. We are simply accidental victims, drifting into its invisible territory. There is no warning, no sound, no escape once contact happens. Just a silent encounter that can turn deadly in moments. But the ocean hides even more extraordinary assassins. In the coral reefs of Australia and nearby regions lives another master of disguise, the stonefish. At first glance, it does not look like an animal at all. It looks exactly like a rock covered in algae and sediment. This camouflage is so effective that even trained divers can accidentally step on it. And when that happens, the result is immediate and intense pain. The stonefish is considered one of the most venomous fish in the world. Its dorsal spines deliver a toxin that causes extreme suffering, swelling, tissue damage, and in rare cases, death if untreated. The pain is often described as one of the most intense forms of physical agony known to humans. Unlike fast predators, The stonefish relies entirely on invisibility. It does not chase prey. It waits. And in doing so, it proves a critical rule of survival in nature. The most dangerous animals are often the ones you never notice. On the other side of the planet, deep within the rainforests of Central and South America, another group of poisonous creatures displays a completely different strategy. Instead of hiding, they advertise their danger. Bright colors, vivid patterns, striking contrast against the green jungle. These are poison dart frogs, small enough to sit comfortably on a human palm, yet capable of carrying toxins powerful enough to kill multiple adult humans, depending on the species. Their skin contains alkaloid compounds that interfere with nerve function, making predators think twice before attempting to eat them. Interestingly, these frogs do not always produce their toxins themselves. Many obtain them from their diet in the wild, accumulating chemical defenses from the insects they consume. This creates one of nature's most fascinating systems: toxicity by diet. A harmless insect becomes a chemical source. A frog becomes a toxic reservoir. And a predator learns a painful lesson about colors it should avoid. But venom in nature is not only about defense. Some creatures use it as a tool for hunting. One of the most advanced examples of this evolutionary strategy can be found in a slow-moving ocean predator, the cone snail. It looks like a simple, decorative seashell. Many people collect it without realizing it may still be alive. Inside this shell lives a highly specialized hunter. When prey comes close, the cone snail launches a modified tooth like a harpoon, injecting a complex cocktail of toxins into its victim. The venom works with incredible precision, targeting specific nerve channels and disrupting communication within seconds. The prey becomes paralyzed almost immediately, unable to escape. What makes cone snail venom particularly remarkable is its chemical diversity. Some species produce hundreds of different toxin molecules, each targeting a different biological pathway. Scientists study these compounds not only for their danger, but for their potential in medicine, especially in pain management. Paradoxically, some of the most painful biological substances in nature may one day help humans eliminate pain. And this is a recurring theme in the study of venomous creatures. The same molecules that can kill or paralyze can also inspire life-saving treatments. As we move further into this world of toxins, it becomes clear that venom is not evil. It is not good either. It is simply a tool shaped by evolution. A tool refined over millions of years of survival pressure. In deserts, jungles, oceans, and even backyards, countless species continue to evolve new ways to survive encounters with predators and prey. Some rely on speed, some rely on armor, and others rely on chemistry so advanced that modern science is still trying to fully understand it. And this journey into the world's most poisonous animals has only just begun.